Hey, what's going on? It's Mr. DS18 and welcome guys to another unboxing video. Today I got the new ZXI6.2D 6-inch subwoofer with a lot of power, beefy, nice surround, nice magnets, nice motor. Let's open up the box, show you guys the sub, throw out some specs, then we'll take it to the next room, do some flex videos. So here we go. The ZXI 6.2D. Got the manual, sticker, and we got the sub. Let's put this down. Check out this little bad boy. Check that out. Real beefy 6.5-inch subwoofer. Check out that cone. Nice foam surround, beefy surround. You got the DS18 logos stamped all around. Butt connectors, one voice coil, two voice coil, real nice. Nice DS18 basket, aluminum basket, DS18 logos. We got the back with the DS18 logos. DS18 6.5 high excursion, 600 watts max, 2+2 ohm DVC, ZXI 6.2D. Nice. This dust cap is like the best dust cap DS18 has done. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now some power. It's rated at 300 watts RMS, 600 watts max power. This is 87 dBs. Frequency response from, let's see, frequency response from 35 hertz to 1.8 kilohertz. This is a 1.5-inch voice coil. This bad boy looks mean. So let's take this guy to the next room and see what we can do. All right. Did you guys see what this bad boy can do? Did you see it pushing some air? Saw how it was flapping, blah, 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 blah. This bad boy can get down, can do some serious damage. Now imagine having 6 in a truck, or 4 in a Gladiator, or 1 in a car, in a small vehicle. Hey, the ZXI sub can get down and can do pretty much be fitted anywhere. So you guys know what to do. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.